Hello everyone. I am Xiao Wen. We have been making a lot of sausages these days. The price of pork ribs has become cheaper. 30 yuan. I bought 4. Let's go back and make some pan-fried pork ribs. Let's go back and start a fire. Let's make some pan-fried pork ribs. The pork ribs don't need to be washed. Let's first cut them into strips. Then chop them into small pieces. Soak them in water for half an hour. Soak out the blood. Soak all the pork ribs. Rinse them. Take them out. Drain the water. Add some light soy sauce to the pork ribs. A little dark soy sauce. Squeeze some oyster sauce. Mix it well. For the ingredients. Let's first slice some ginger. Then chop a few cloves of garlic. Cut some small chili peppers. Cut some Sichuan peppercorns. If possible, you can also julienne some young ginger. Finally, let's also cut some scallions. That's the end. Add some oil to the pan. Heat the oil to about 60% hot. Add the pork ribs and stir-fry until they are slightly brown. They are slightly crispy now. Add Sichuan peppercorns. Add ginger and garlic. Add some doubanjiang, spicy bean paste. At this point, actually, these pork ribs are already cooked. We have stir-fried them to enhance the flavor. Let's add the julienne ginger. Add the small chili peppers. Add the Sichuan peppercorns. Add the scallions. Before removing from the heat, add some chicken powder, sugar, and white pepper for seasoning. 55 yuan. All the side dishes are stir-fried. It's almost ready. Remove from the heat. Oh, the oil is sizzling. It feels so good. I want it. Serve the food. Let's start eating. Let's start eating the small pan-fried ribs. Hey, don't snatch it. The taste is good. Hello, Wang Po. Hello, Kuafu. What does it mean? I don't know either. Just want to change your last name. Wow, just like this. This kind of crispy, huh? It bursts with oil when you bite into it. So don't think that way. Small pan-fried ribs are not easy to cook, huh? Dragon. It's easy to remove the bones. Right? It's also good to eat with rice. Okay. That's it for today's video, huh? Small pan-fried ribs. The taste is really good, huh? And the recipe is quite simple. I strongly recommend you to try it. That's it, bye.